Hello and welcome to Blades and More. This is your host Mark with a review of this CRKT Ripsnort folding pocket knife. This is a cleaver style blade that was designed by Philip Booth for CRKT, and it's just a great mid-size bordering on a large knife that has a little heft to it, comes in at 6-ounce weight. It's nice quality built. Very nice looking. It's a great piece. I'm very impressed by it. The overall length of the knife is 7.75 inches, but CRKT says it's 7 inches, but I don't think they measured the butt of the stainless steel liner that sticks out past the handle. It's about another 3/4 of an inch. And the blade is 3.24 inches long. It has a 3-inch cutting edge. And as mentioned, it's a sheep's foot blade design with a flat grind and a plain edge. Very nice satin finish with the CRKT logo on the front side and the Ripsnort insignia on the rear side with the Booth design. The blade material is a 8CR13 MOV. It's a nice stout, hefty knife and blade. Would work great for slicing. Comes with a sharpening choil and a larger flipper tab that acts as a protector for your index finger. Has jimping on the flipper tab. Opens very nicely. Very smooth. The handle is a polymer type material, and it has a stainless steel accent that goes partially through the polymer handle material. Makes it look very nice. And the stainless steel liner extends past the end of the handle material. Gives it an unusual look. It's a stainless steel liner lock. And the liner has not been skeletonized, and it's a Hefty liner. But that leads to a very nice feeling. It has some substance when it's in your hand. It fits my large to extra large hand very well. I can get my little finger around the butt of the handle. It is a tip-down carry design with a stainless steel carrying clip that is right hand only. On the rear of the handle, sits deep in the pocket. This sample is centered perfectly, the blade in the handle. Very nice. The model number is 7270. Again, Philip Booth design. And I brought in another one of Philip Booth's Snarky. That is a CRKT model. Give you a little comparison. Similar design, just smaller. I also brought in the Gerber flat iron cleaver for a comparison. And I'm very impressed by this Ripsnort. It's a great little piece. If you're looking for a cleaver style blade, kind of a mid-size piece, I would highly recommend this. So there we go, everybody. It is the CRKT Ripsnort cleaver style folding pocket knife. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, bye now.